Ankit Gupta. Welcome to Nimbus Packaging. Nimbus Packaging provides packaging material to around 40 to 50 domestic clients and 8 to 10 international clients. Our journey with Ador began with a product named King Bond S. 350mm and 450mm primary cartons. We used to supply just this. It is difficult to gain a customer's trust, but it is more difficult to maintain that. With the regular supply and quality assurance, we got to supply more and more products. Today, we are able to supply a range of products to Ador. Ador had a very specific guidelines and specification to be matched. We had to put lot of efforts, and with the support of Ador, we were able to match those guidelines and supply satisfactory products. Customers' experience is a key to exceeding customer satisfaction. With Ador's trust and our strict quality parameters, we are able to cater more than 2 lakh cartons to Ador today. Ador's vision of creating the world's best welding experience reinforces the statement and gives satisfaction to their customer and to us. Ekdam Nishchit.